koto Sidrapong to you tokoro
We are here at Tenzing Norgay residence. This is
I think मैले अहिले भर्खर प्रेसलाई पनि भनेको थिएँ कि यो दार्जिलिङमा टुरिस्टहरू आउँछ टर्न आउँछ आजकलको स्थितिमा गाडीमा 2 घन्टा बस्छ यहाँबाट एसएमआई जानु पुरा घुमेर 1 घन्टा लाग्छ त्यहाँ 1 घन्टा 1.5 घन्टा लाग्छ त्यहाँ घुम्नु 1 घन्टा घुम्छ but instead if we have more if we encourage each and every one of you like-minded people like you to promote hiking to the tourists 2 घन्टामा त आरामले मजाले आर्यम पनि पुग्छ घुम्नु पाउँछ पिकनिक लन्च गर्यो and that is a better way to spend the day instead of spending in the gadi and I appreciate my hats off to you. I admire under Nawa's leadership and Mingma's leadership that you are organizing this every year one hike opening a new hike every year but you have to not only do one hike but you have to promote it. So hotels flyers get groups of tourists. I know Mingma is hiking a tourist hiking more military road if we can do this to promote walkathons walking excursions just day hike picnic lunch. So that is something different for our tourists, and it's a better way for them to spend the time in Darjeeling than spend 2 hours in the night.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And today is the 71st Everest Summit Day, as well as the birthday of our Sir Tenzing Norgay. You must have heard about him. He's the person who climbed the Everest for the first time. And he was the first person along with Sir Edmund and their team. So we are celebrating this day. Last year you must have seen our vlog. So this year we are again starting our walk to the Asia's first hydro project. You have seen that vlog again. So that is Sidrapong, called Sidrapong. And let me introduce you with my friends here. So Mrinal san.
Hello san.
So he is a tour guide, so I don't know how he is going to walk. What's the sound?
ठिकै छ राम्रो छ
हिँड्नुहुन्छ
हिँड्नुपर्छ सकेन भने U-turn.
Okay, great. So we have Robin san again.
Hello, good morning everyone.
You have seen him on our last vlog as well, last year ago.
Thank you so much for adding me in your vlog.
It's Japanese ma bhandin ta san.
Arigatou gozaimasu. Watashi no onamae wa Robin desu. Sonata tokoro de sundemasu. Kyou watashi tachi aruki koto Sidrapong to you tokoro e ikimasu. Sore kara watashi tachi arigatou.
Ocha san ocha kudasai. Goman kudasai.
Gambate kudasai.
Okay, hi. Sayonara san.
We are going to walk to Sidrapong Hydro power stations. That is supposed to be the first power station in the whole of Asia. We are very proud to have that in our region, and the hike today is a very simple one. It's just downhill hike. We are going downhill. We are not going uphill. The uphill would be another great task.
Only he's doing the uphill. He's coming back uphill.
But the hydro project is a really an important part of our Darjeeling, and we really need to go there. And if you ever it's not only for the tourists, even it's for the local to go and have a look there.
Yes.
You all must have seen our previous vlog, right? Oh, yes. So Mingma, anything you want to add?
No. Whatever he has said, just listen to that and follow that.
Okay, wonderful.
Camera up, kare.
Happy 71st Everest Summit Day, as well as 110 birth anniversary of the legendary Tenzing Norgay. हामी एकदमै फर्चुनेट आज किनभने उहाँको स्वयं छोरा आएर हामीलाई एउटा है यसरी भेट्नु इन्टरेक्सन गर्ने एउटा चान्स पायो र हाम्रो लागि एकदमै यो गर्वको कुरा भन्नु है बिकज जम्लिङ सर हिमसेल्फ इज अ एभरेस्टर हि समिटेड इन 2006 अलङ विथ सन अफ हिलरी सो दुईजनै छोराले पनि हिस्ट्री नै राखेको नि त अन्त हि इज अ राइटर अल्सो हि रोड अ बुक कल टचिङ माई फादर्स सोल तपाईँले टाइम पाइन पढ्नु होला एकदमै इन्ट्रेस्टिङ छ है र आजको जुन चाहिँ हाइक छ सिद्रपुङ हाइक है सिद्रपुङ अब नोन एज द ओल्डेस्ट फर्स्ट हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट इन एसिया जब इन्डिया चाहिँ सबै अन्धकार हुँदाखेरि चाहिँ हाम्रो चाहिँ यहाँ दार्जिलिङमा चाहिँ बत्ती बोलेको र हाम्रो लागि एकदमै प्राउड जग्गा एउटा एसेट हो त्यो जग्गालाई चाहिँ हामीले कसरी हाइलाइट गर्नु भनेर सो इनिसियली आइडिया वाज मिङमादा हाम्रो इडी सर है अन्त यो हाइकको हामीले जुन चाहिँ ट्रायल रन गरेको थियो हामी मिङमादासँग गरेको थियो एकदमै राम्रो भयो एकदमै सक्सेसफुल र यो मात्रै एउटा ट्रायल जुन चाहिँ एल्टिट्युडबाट चाहिँ लो एलिभेसनमा चाहिँ दार्जिलिङमा जाने छ र त्यो जुन चाहिँ सिद्रपुङको चाहिँ अराउन्ड 1000 मिटर समथिङ रहेछ एकदमै गरम र ह्युमिड छ त्यहाँ चाहिँ र यसको चाहिँ जुन चाहिँ आजको हाइक चाहिँ डिस्टेन्स चाहिँ 10 किलोमिटर रहेछ होइन सो हामी यहाँबाट स्टार्ट गरेर फर्स्ट चाहिँ यहाँ टिबेटन म्युजियम छ त्यहाँनिर हामीलाई वेलकम गर्ने अरे त्यहाँ हाम्रो टिबेटन कम्युनिटीले आफ्टर द्याट तेन्जिङ नोर्गेको घरमा जानेवाला थियो तर सर अब आज फेरि एचएमआईमा जानु परेको कारणले हामी त्यहाँ जानु सकेनौँ तर इन फ्युचर म एउटा पर्मिसन लिएर हामी जति एचएमआईमा एभरेस्ट म्युजियममा तेन्जिङ नोर्गेको सामान छ त्यसको डबल चाहिँ त्यहाँ छ र त्यो पनि म एक दिन एरेन्ज गर्छु हाम्रो गाइडहरूको स्पेसली है सरले अघि भन्नुभयो एनी टाइम हेल्प चाहिएन भन्नु भनेर र अर्को चाहिँ त्यहाँबाट हामी सिधै आबा आर्ट ग्यालेरी जान्छौँ आबा आर्ट ग्यालेरी खुल्ला छ भने ठिकै छ त्यहाँबाट सिधै हिँडेर हामी तल वर्धमान प्यालेस पछि हामी तल एउटा हाम्रो भाइहरूले एउटा सानो टी ब्रेक गरेको छ त्यहाँनिर हाम्रो रिफ्रेसमेन्ट आफ्टर द्याट त्यहाँबाट हामी चाहिँ टी गार्डन भेट्छ टी गार्डन चाहिँ हाम्रो आर्या टी स्टेट
So hello everyone, we have started our walk. Today is the 110th birthday of Tenzing Norgay and we are heading towards Sidrapong. In between we'll be visiting few places. That's how it works. That's it. अरु के छ सन
केही नै हो
जोसै छैन के सन अरे लाग्यो सिद्रापुङ सोच्दै
भन्दैछु त मैले अब सक्दै सकेन भने चाहिँ युटर्न
ठिकै छ So today we have our team from Kalimpong as well. हैन सन
शुभ नाम भन्ने
उमेर है
यो गुड नेम शुभ नाम हैन अन्त शुभ नाम भन्छ नेपालीबाट
अरे नुरुसन Ohio gozaimasu.
Ohio gozaimasu. Yes.
So how are you feeling, love?
Feeling good. It's a good day to walk,
Good day to
explore
walk.
Darjeeling.
Have you been to Sidrapong?
Many times. I've been to many times, but the reason was very different. Okay, this is the first time, maybe just as a tourist, I'm going with such accomplished guides around me. Maybe I will learn more things from you guys.
So my friend is single. Anyone interested, contact him.
You can directly contact me.
Yes.
Okay. The most important part, my name Love Thami. If you Google search it, I am the only one right now present in the internet.
Mama.
Yes.
And we are on the way.
We are on the way to Sidrapong today. So,
No, on the way as in Google.
yeah.
In Google.
Yeah, you can actually Google me. I'm the only one with that name right now.
So I've saved his name as LOVE, love.
LOB. Sorry. Yeah.
No, I have spelled it as LOVE. So whenever you call me, so the name comes LOVE, love, and people think, oh my God, his love is calling.
Yeah, I get that a lot from many of my friends actually. During my school time, like, so when my friends actually called me, they used to get, if that was a wrong number, unfortunately, they used to get yelling from the other side of the phone. So, who is love? Why are you calling me like that? It has been that kind of thing.
And I think I'm enjoying it. So here,
I'm not McDonald's that.
here comes my salty, yeah, Sati, love.
love.
So the ultimate handsome guy, like better than Hrithik Roshan. बाइसेप्स देखाइदिनु सोल्टी
होस् होला होस् होला है
सो सोल्टी
Museum.
ओ ए
So, welcome all of you.
Thank you. So we are at Tibet Museum right now. This is a quick welcome from the Tibetan community.
This one also. Yes. Then you can please proceed inside. We have welcome all of you. We have arranged little cold drinks and all also while coming out. So Himalayan Tibet Museum. So this one is a model of Potala Palace. It's considered to be the highest palace in the world. So this is actually Potala is a, you know, the actual shrine or mansion of Avalokiteshvara, and which is in the South India actually, Potala Hill. So this is a replica of that. And please come this side. The Retlis, believe it or not, the first king of Tibet is a son of Rupati, according to one of the history. So you can see, and they, you know, he is appointed as the first king of Tibet. So at that time, you know, like the Bon religion was there, Buddhism wasn't there. Okay, so his name is Nyati Tsempo, and these three are the most prominent kings of Tibet. You can see the turban, you know, like as I've said, there's Songtsen Gampo, and this one is Chisong Dilchen. And during this time, the first monastery Samir was built, you know, like in Tibet, by inviting, you know, Guru Padmasambhava from India and Shanta Rakshita from Bengal. So these are the three. And then Tibetan script is also derived from Ranjana script or Devanagari script of India. So how it evaluated you, it's all, the chart is here. So whenever you have got time, please drop in and you can have a look, you know. So he's the Thimisambhota. He's the one to compose the Tibetan script, the mad Tibetan script, in order to, you know, translate the great corpus of Nalanda traditions into Bodhi language. So he's the one. So these are the different scripts. And over here, as I've said, you know, the first monastery was built, that was Samye. And this is a Samye, the first monastery in Himalayas, you can say. So over here, this one is Otantapuri Monastery, you know, based on that, Otantapuri Monastery of India. So they built this one. He's the king that time, 30th king, Chisong Dilchen. He invited Guru Padmasambhava as well as Shanta Rakshita. So, and all these are Nalanda and all. And these are the 8 stupas. You might have seen, you know, like when Buddha passed away, his stupa were divided into 8 kingdoms. 8 kings of the 8 kingdoms. So these are, you know, in the remembrance, like in remembrance of the Buddha Shakyamuni. So they built each and every stupa based on this. Yeah, donated by Zamling Tenzing Norgay. And these are, you know, like such a very sanctified and consecrated items donated by His Holiness. And these are actually landscape from Tibet and around. So these are, you know, like the medicinal herbs of Chakri. All the medicinal herbs of Chakri. So these are donated by Chakri Medical Center. So these are monastic dance, as you know. So these are, you know, like for example, all the deities, protectors, dharmapals, they manifest and they, you know, like dance in the black head dance. It's very popular, isn't it?
Is it the Cham dance, yeah?
Cham dance, yes, exactly. It's popularly known as Cham dance. So these are the, you know, like 3 traditional
Yeah, the tribes of Tibet, Lichang, Dote, and Dome. The Tibet is divided into 3 provinces now. So these are the costumes of the different respective provinces. So this one is a shrine, and the statues inside are the deity. These are the 3 deities for long life. So we install this in order to whoever visits here and all the sentient beings in and around Darjeeling and whole world, may they live long and old. So these are the Buddha Mitayu and White Tara, and this is Usnisha Vijaya. So these are the different, species, animals, you will find in Himalayas. So these are the great famous Tibetologists. Nicholas Roddick, Gendin Champel, and then, like Raul Saskitian, you might have seen. I've met one of the wives. Actually, there's a bit that there are so many wives actually he has, because he's well-versed in different languages, isn't it? And Alexander Chomotikouros is a Hungarian, Tibetologist who passed away in Darjeeling. So, and that's a Sari Chandra Das, who had composed the Tibetan English and Sanskrit dictionary. So he's a Amdu Gendin Champe. You might have seen the statue of Swami Prabhupada. So with Swami Prabhupada and him, they have translated the Gita also. That's what I've seen. The General Secretary of Manjushri Center.
We're so happy you are promoting this place. Now, see that walking trail. This is from our side towards tourism.
Towards tourism, towards society,
Towards
to ourselves.
Towards all the researchers. Thank you for taking this initiative.
Hello, so after a quick visit to Tibetan Museum, we are here at Tenzing Norgay's residence. This is a place called Kagjoda. Just opposite to Darjeeling guest house, we have this a beautiful house. So Tenzing Norgay. Welcome to our art gallery. Let's go inside.